Good day guys. So by the way, this tutorial is kung paano ba mag-set up ng SSID or magpalit pala ng SSID. So ang router na gamit natin is 5v5 or 1v5. Since laptop yung gamit ko, so ganito yung gagawin nyo guys. Punta lang kayo dito sa Wi-Fi, then hanapin nyo yung Wi-Fi name ng 5v5 nyo. So, after nyo maklik, so all you have to do is kailangan natin dito maglagay ng static IP address 192.168.100.21. So, after nyan, click OK. Okay. Tapos, punta lang dito sa browser. Then, type mo lang yung default 92.100. Yan. Click. After, lagay nyo lang yung username at saka yung password. Okay, so after nyan, click mo lang yung advanced. Then ito, the VLAN, click nyo lang. After, unang gagawin is punta kayo dito sa 5G. 5G yung uunahin natin para hindi tayo ma-disconnect dito kung uunahin natin yung 2.4. Okay? So 5G yung una. All you have to do is palitan lang to. So anything you want, kahit ng name. Yan. So piso Wi-Fi. Timbawa. 5G. So since our setup is not the same name, so lalagyan ko yan ng 5G. Copy nyo lang, then apply. Right after, punta kayo dito sa 2G and 4, and then press remove 5G, then click OK. After nyan, automatically magpapalit ng name yung device o yung 5v5. So check yan, nawala. So click, sabi natin yan is to Wi-Fi. Click OK, and then test again. Refresh. Yan. Yan. So that's all guys. Ganyan lang kadali mag-set up. Thank you.